I loved the variety of the exhibitions. It was nice to hear people speak German here. It was wonderful to smell the sausages over lunchtime, even though we brought our own lunch.
One thing I really liked about this exhibition was the van. There were several things to do with German, maybe technology.
It was fun and it was interactive, and it was better because we had all our friends around and you got to create things and you got to do VR.
Any support that teachers can get is just wonderful. The children were given t-shirts and backpacks, and so many couldn't afford that kind of stuff. It's just really a wonderful experience.
Woo. Ja. Wonderful. Dankeschön.
We're teaching science and math in German. It was really cool to have the STEM presentations.
Please get down for listening. Thank you so much. Very well done. Perfect.
We have been going around doing activities where we can build stuff from Germany. It's like bringing a tradition from Germany here to Atlanta.